Okay. So I think I'm recording. Uh-huh. Okay, so right now I am researching paragraph 7 of Article 14, aggravating circumstances. The crime committed in occasion of conflagration, shipwreck, earthquake, epidemic, or other calamity or misfortune. So I am researching whether the this paragraph, if kung asa siya na fall, no, either it's specific, generic, akong kita na wala man siya or generic, or inherent, itong upat, lima ka types: generic aggravating, specific aggravating, qualifying. Pwede siya ma-fall, no, qualifying kay, like say ngawat, no, qualified by nana, nagkuan earthquake niya, nangawat, so qualifying ni siya. So I am looking for other resources kini gipanan-aw man nako, gi-search ni nako, no, sa kuang app. Na ako'y app diri kang Reyes nga book. Loading pa ang search na diri dapis kili daw. Kana or other calamity or misfortune, mama ni siya ang 7, paragraph 7. So the basis of this aggravating circumstances reference to the time of the commission of the crime. Kani siya, ang reason is kanang gidugangan ba, adds to their suffering, naraw, or taking advantage of this of their misfortune, or to despoil them. So mangita ko kung asa siya mabilong, either generic or qualifying. No, the praise or other calamity or misfortune refers to other conditions, chaotic conditions din siya, no, kining other calamity or misfortune ba, refers to other conditions of distress similar to those preceding enumerated, like conflagration, shipwreck, and epidemic, earthquake. Mama na siya. Hence, chaotic conditions after a liberation is not included under this paragraph. So I'm looking for kanila and putting a notes, no, sa our professors, but I did not see any reference to, lain po din siyang reference, calamities, misfortune, or so kini siya kang Giovanni, maora kang kuan, kang Reyes nga notes, yang gitanaw kining chaotic condition. Let's say kang Garcia is considered aggravating because on occasion offender took advantage of the said occasion in order to commit the crime. So let's say Golden Notes 2018, loading ang search bar. So let's try with UP College of Law 2020, kini calamity or misfortune. Okay, so karon generic dini, it's a generic aggravating circumstance. So akong i-update ako ang notes. I have my notes here, akong notes, so kaya mukat kayo. So generic ni siya ang kining kuan, asa ganito akong gipangita. Kaya ako naman yung gipang ang calamity or misfortune. No, so kini siya generic. Right, so kini. Kani gipang notes. So ako rin makasabot ani ako ang notes kay kama ni. Hindi mo man ako. So ako rin makasabot ani generic aggravating. Loading man. So aggravating. Ako ni siyang gimag-set per set. Per set is more on authority, public position, kanang abuse. But naani siya yung mga special o generic. Ang generic ani niya is insult or contempt o abuse of confidence o abuse ungratefulness. Ang special inherent is public position. Inherent kung let's say kanang malversation, inherent malversation o kung sa pato kanang katong kuan unsa to nga crime nasa book 2 kining kuan kining sa yang position ba kanang bribery. Specific disregard of age, sex, ang dwelling the offended party, generic. Ang disregard of age or sex is specific aggravating. Kini nganong importante man siyang upat, kining upat ka 5 day. Dere 5. Asa ka ito? 5 kinds of aggravating, generic or ordinary, inherent sa man akong pan. Inherent kulang og T. Kulang og mark T. Kana inherent. Specific, qualifying ug special. Ako lang nagbutag nyo kay actually tan ako sa bang book upat raman. Wa ni ko kita aning special. Watang special aggravating like katong public position mao siya special. Advantage taken of public position. Pwede siya special aggravating and inherent. Akong question ani is ang generic man dito. So in generic is mao ni siya ang ma-offset offset. Kung dunay mitigating yang uban katong dili ma-offset ko pa nang studihan but what I know is ang generic mao'y ma-offset. Okay, so balik ko sa research diri generic na din siya nakuha na nako. Kining conflagration, shipwreck, earthquake, epidemic or calamity, these are all generic aggravating. Mas may panisa ko na kining sa UP law. Kay ilahang gibutan diri kung unsa nga type of aggravating or kinds of aggravating. So it's generic aggravating circumstance. Okay, that's it. Kana lang sa